Good morning, guys. We are out here cleaning our windows and doors because they're just so filthy. You can't really tell how filthy they are on this video, but they're pretty gross. So, yeah, really gross. Ideally, we would want to just kind of wash the whole building, but I don't think we have a hose out here, so just gonna work with what we have, and hopefully it'll give a better view for when our customers come in. All kinds of spider webs out here. Look at this. Gross, gross. Look at this, guys. We have a community of, I don't know what, spider. Ooh. Yeah. It looks so good, Ava. Let me see. Looks much better. A bunch of paper towels later. But we're done, and it looks so great. I can finally see inside. Much, much better.